Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to present you about future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is quite an easy tense to understand and use. The future perfect talks about the past in the future. How do we make the future perfect tense? The structure of the future perfect tense is 1. Positive sentence. Form, subject plus will plus have plus verb, past participle plus object. For example, I'll have finishing work by 11 a.m. She'll have forgotten me by then. 2. Negative sentence. Form, subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb, past participle plus object. For negative sentences in the future perfect continuous tense, we insert not between will and have. For example, I won't have finishing work by 11 a.m. She won't have forgotten me by then. 3. Question sentence. Form, will plus subject plus have plus verb, past participle plus object. For example, will you have finishing work by 11 a.m.? Will she have forgotten me by then? How do we use the future perfect tense? The future perfect tense expresses action in the future before another action in the future. This is the past in the future. For example, the train will leave the station at 9 a.m. You will arrive at the station at 9:15 a.m. When you arrive, the train will have left. The train will have left when you arrive. Look at some more examples. You can call me at work at 8 a.m. I will have arrived at the office by 8. They will be tired when they arrive. They will not have slept for a long time. Mary won't be at home when you arrive. Really, where will she have gone? You can sometimes think of the future perfect tense like the present perfect tense, but instead of your viewpoint being in the present, it is in the future. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun. Thank you.